Welcome back, BMF Speed Shop. So I've been out here working on the 2000 Subaru Legacy GT and trying to remove this Plasti dip. And I've tried about every single thing that you can buy to get this stuff off here. And so this is what I did: one soak, and then scrub, and then pressure wash on this side, and this is what it looks like. And then the other side, I did 2 soaks, 2 scrubs, and 2 pressure washes with this stuff right here. This is what I'm rocking. I got the dollar store special oxygen orange and awesome orange from LA, totally awesome. And then the green scrub pads, $3, and the pressure washer. And the trick is you hit it with the oxygen first, let it soak, hit it with the other stuff, scrub it, and then let it soak, and then oxygen it, let it soak, and then pressure wash it, and then it seems to come off. I got some videos of me doing the hood, and I mean, it comes off, it works. This is the only really stuff that I found that seems to take this Plasti dip off, you know. I'm probably going to sand this whole car down and do it the color that the wheels are, this desert tan color. Because at one time somebody bondoed the rust and then blended this door back, and it doesn't match, as you can see. That's why I Plasti dipped the car, because I always fucking hated it. And I don't have time to repaint the whole car. This is just going to be probably like a winter ice car. So I think the desert tan will look really cool. So I might just leave the gold and just hit it all with an SOS pad and then buff it and leave it like that for a while and do patches of desert tan like a camo. But I haven't really decided on it yet. Either way, I still have to gut everything in the interior. I'm going to build a cage in there. I'm going to hack the exhaust off and stick it out the sides. I'm going to get 4 new tires. I'm going to buy a Harbor Freight tire mounter and do it all myself. I'm going to throw some winter meats on this beast. And then I'm going to put a racing seat, harnesses, and get this thing set up for basically a rally car, track car only. So this thing does rip pretty good for NA, you know, 2.5. It's got the 5-speed. I got a stage 2 clutch in there, and a bunch of work done to the motor, and yeah, it runs good. It did run good, but that's what it's looking like right there. So I mean, if this is dollar store special, but stay tuned if you want to continue watching me build this piece of shit and send it. Hit that subscribe button.